Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing fine. So guys, today's video I will be using yogurt for my hair mask. So that is Greek yogurt. So if you cannot find Greek yogurt, you can use any yogurt that you can find, but just plain yogurt without sugar is good for this recipe. So I'm going to add about 4 spoons of yogurt. That should be a cup of yogurt. So I'm just going to mix this together now. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for always supporting your girl. So if you are new here, you're also welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So if you like what you see, just subscribe and turn on your post notification. So that is aloe vera. So you guys already know how I prepare my aloe vera. So to make this video not to be too long, so I just prepare my aloe vera off camera. So I'm just going to just add that aloe vera to the yogurt. So now I'm going to add honey also to that treatment. I'm going to be adding about a spoon or two yogurt or two honey to the yogurt. So that is the DIY treatment that I will be doing today. So if you want to do this treatment, make sure you use plain yogurt, the one without sugar, okay, because it's going to be the good yogurt for you to use for this treatment. So I'm going to add aloe vera to that treatment also. I'm going to be adding about 2 spoons of aloe vera, 2 spoons of olive oil, guys, not aloe vera. So I'm going to add 2 spoons of olive oil to that. Then after, I will just mix everything together. This is how it's looking like after mixing everything together. Like this is going to be delicious. Okay. So guys, time for me to apply this treatment to my hair. So guys, natural yogurt is full of protein that offer nourishment to our hair. So using yogurt on your hair once a week is going to keep your hair nourished and healthy. So help which also help to promote our hair growth, to make your hair grow properly and also healthy. So also make our hair to grow properly. So yogurt has lactic acid that is great for cleaning our scalp and also clearing away the dead cell to help our hair to grow properly. Yogurt is also known for its soothing property, so it's going to smooth your hair and also your scalp. Is going to remove all the dead cell. It's going to clear and clean your scalp like never before. So I'm just going to continue to apply this yogurt to my hair. You guys already know the benefit of honey, aloe vera and olive oil, so because I talked about it on my channel all the time, so I'm just going to continue to apply this to my hair. Don't worry about the messy, it's going to be really messy, so don't worry about that, okay? Just continue doing what you are doing, because what is good for your hair is also going to be good for your skin. So just keep on going. So I'm just going to continue to apply this to my hair. So because I use hair grease on my hair all the time, so any DIY that I would like to use on my hair is going to be like, the target is going to be for my scalp to help me cleanse my scalp, and then also on my hair. So because of the grease, to help me remove build up and dead cell that grease must have put on my hair. So every DIY that I kind of put out there is going to be from to help to remove build up and also cleanse and clear away any dead cell on my hair because of grease. So if you also love grease, if you also use hair grease on your hair, so you have to try this treatment. So I have to transfer this treatment to this my applicator bottle because it's too watering. So using my hand is going to be so messy, like using the applicator bottle is already messy. So that's why I transfer it to that applicator bottle for easy use. So that is how it's done. Okay, so if you are here for the first time, I think I've welcomed you guys before. Let me do it again. If you are here for the first time, you are welcome. If you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate you guys. So don't forget to also turn on your post notifications so that you will not miss any of my video. If you also like this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, give it a thumbs up. So I'm going to reapply it to this part because I think it's not enough here, because I really want to coat my hair with this DIY treatment because my hair and my scalp need this so much. So that is why I'm reapplying it. So if you apply it with no face certified with it, you can still reapply it again. So that is what you see me doing. So I will be back when I'm done applying this to all my hair. So the remaining one, I'm going to use it as a face mask on my face, so because it's also good for our skin. So now that I'm done, don't mind me, or don't mind this messing me today. So just messing me, okay? So I'm just going to cover my hair with this plastic bag just to um, deep condition my hair with this treatment for 30 to 40 minutes or up to 1 hour. So that is how I'm going to use it today. Just allow it to work on your hair and on your face. So guys, this is just the simple DIY that you can make in your house to give you that healthy hair and also a beautiful skin also. So my goodness, this is so good. So this is about an hour later. So this is how my hair is looking like. So it's time for me to rinse this goodness out of my hair to see how my hair is looking like, what this treatment have done to my hair. So I'm just going to take down that twist, then I'm going to rinse out this goodness out of my hair. So keep watching. So guys, now I've already rinsed out this DIY yogurt hair mask out of my hair. So this is how my hair is feeling like, looking like, so beautiful. The shine is there, the bouncing is so bouncing. My scalp feels so clean and healthy. So guys, this is going to be the end of this video. So if you want to give it a try, just use plain yogurt, not the one with sugar. No, plain yogurt. If you cannot find the Greek yogurt, just use any plain yogurt and you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye and stay blessed.